Chapter 6, Section 6, Applications of Percents. The objective: learn how to find commission, sales tax, and percent of earnings. A commission is a fee paid to a person who makes a sale. When I think of commission, I think of car salesmen and women. When they sell a car for $20,000, they can earn, for an example, a commission of 5% on that car from the dealership. So a car that sells for $20,000, the person who sells that car, if they're earning a 5% commission, could earn $1,000 from the dealership for selling that car. It's usually a percent of the selling price. This percent is called a commission rate. The equation to compute commission rate is commission rate times sales equals commission. The commission rate will be a percent, and that will be entered into the equation as a decimal. Example 1. A car's sales agent is paid monthly salary of $700 plus commission. Last month, she sold one sports car for $50,000, earning 5% commission on the sales. How much was her commission? What was her total pay last month? First, we're going to use the equation. That equation is commission rate times the sales equals the commission. Go back and fill in what you know. The commission rate is 5%. But remember, we're not going to fill in 5%. We're going to fill in 5% as a decimal, so 0.05. Sales. She made $50,000 sale, so $50,000 would be in the sales. Commission. This is what we're trying to compute. Now we need to solve. 0.05 times 50,000 will equal 2,500. Her total commission is 2,500. Now let's go back to the problem and make sure we've answered all the questions. We just solved how much was her commission. We're also asked what was her total pay last month. The $2,500 is just the commission she made on selling that one sports car for $50,000. But remember, she also makes a monthly salary of $700. The commission of $2,500 is added to the $700. So, last month she made $700 plus the $2,500 for a total of $3,200. Please write this in your guided notes. Sales tax is a tax on the sale of an item or service. It is a percent of the purchase price and is collected by the seller. Amy stays in a hotel for $45 per night. She stays for 2 nights and pays a sales tax of 13%. How much tax did she pay? Let's go back to the problem and highlight some important information. $45 per night. She stays for 2 nights, pays a sales tax of 13%, and the question is, how much tax did she pay? So we're going to start off with $45 per night. We're going to multiply that by 13%. Now remember, we're not going to enter 13 into the equation. We're going to enter 13% as a decimal. So 0.13. Multiply those two together, and she's going to end up paying $5.85 for a $45 night stay. Now remember, she stayed for 2 nights. This $5.85 is per 1 night. So, what will you need to do with $5.85 to calculate how much tax she will pay for 2 nights? Please solve the problem and write your answer on this line.